Let's talk about our visit to Blizzard Beach, part of the parks of the Walt Disney Orlando Resort in Florida. So as soon as you get there, you go to the towel station to get guest towels for yourself and your group. Walking through the resort, you hear beautiful music blasting through. It has been styled to look like a ski resort, even though it's in a very hot climate. The whole place is beautiful, buzzing, loads and loads of people, so many things to do. There's a lot of information for you to see, so you never get lost. There's a station for lost and found items and children and all of that. There are loads of shops, there are restaurants, bars. Just watch.